Well, it's definitely not a real egg. Guess we're just gonna have to open it up and see what's inside.
Yeah. Gotcha. I better dismantle this thing. Snake! Snake! Why does it have to be snakes? What kind of egg this is? A slime egg? Oh, man. Ugh, I'm a mess.
You have officially earned your park ranger badge.
What?
All right, so carnivores are done. Next up, herbivores. Hey, Park Ranger Asher.
Oh, hi.
This is Darren. He is Park Ranger Aaron's brother, and he is also a dino expert.
Oh.
So he's gonna join us here at Park B.
Nice to meet you, Park Ranger Darren.
Likewise, Park Ranger Asher.
Whoa, what's the egg?
I don't know. Definitely wasn't here before. Wonder who could have left it here.
Not me, but it looks pretty cool.
Maybe it's another toy surprise from Park Ranger Aaron.
Ooh, I love toy surprises.
Well, it's definitely not a real egg. Guess we're just gonna have to open it up and see what's inside.
Well, if you insist. Yeah. Was that a trick egg?
Yeah, someone pranked us. They pranked us good.
Yeah, but who could have done that? I mean, Park Ranger Aaron definitely would not have sent that egg. I thought we were the only ones at the park today.
I hope there's not a trespasser.
You don't think the Dino Master found our park, do you?
Who's the Dino Master?
Oh no! It sounds like we're not the only ones getting pranked.
The Dino Master must be pretty smart and pretty funny.
The dinos must have stepped on some trick eggs and gotten pranked too. And they don't seem to like it. Oh, quick! We have to go and check on the ranch for any more trick eggs and get rid of them.
Well, if the dinos get mad, they could cause a stampede.
A stampede? Oh no, I didn't think of that.
I didn't either.
We could all be flattened like pancakes.
All right, you go check the west sector for trick eggs, and we'll go check the east sector for trick eggs. All right?
Copy that.
All right.
Egg hunt on.
All right, and check for the Dino Master and any other trespassing pranksters. You ready?
Yeah.
Where would someone leave trick eggs? I spy with my little eye a tricky egg nearby. Oh, no, 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 no! Gotcha. You're welcome. I just saved your afternoon stroll. Ignorant bliss. All right, definitely a trick egg. I better dismantle this thing. Snake! Snake! Why does it have to be snakes? Oh, it's just a rubber snake. Oh man, I wasn't expecting that. Where would someone even get a rubber snake? Is that Dino Monster guy here? Our security alarm didn't go off.
First prank successful.
Our new park rangers have to earn their badges somehow.
This way's really fun.
Yeah, we might have to make this a tradition. Let's go.
I better find these other trick eggs before any more dinos do that. These dinos are fast, but I'm faster. Oh, more eggs. They're green. never seen green eggs before. Oh no, these aren't real eggs. A Dimetrodon. And a carnivore.
Oh no, a Dimetrodon. We chose a bad spot.
Oh, a Dimetrodon? Oh, we have to go help.
Ow!
Oh,
I can't move my leg.
oh, me neither. It must have fallen asleep from the sleepy dart. Let's shake it out.
My foot is like dead.
Oh, maybe you can dance a little bit. Wiggle it out. Oh. Oh.
First timer. I was never good at duck hunt. Okay. Okay, mister. Bedtime.
Phew. He's okay. That was close.
Yeah, man, we gotta be more careful. We gotta keep Park Ranger Darren safe. All right, let's go. Ooh.
I wonder what kind of egg this is. A slime egg? Oh, man. Ugh, I'm a mess.
It's working out so well.
Prank 2, successful.
Oh, yeah, thank goodness he's all right.
Hey, my leg. It's waking up.
Oh, mine is too. Oh, great.
Keeping dinos safe from trick eggs is a messy business. Ew, yuck. I better find the other park rangers. Oof, come on. Park Ranger Tara, Park Ranger Asher, come in. Hey, come on, is this thing on? Hello? Hey, a banana? Hey, where is my walkie?
Good job.
Wait a minute, trick eggs? My walkie? T-Rex Ranch has gone bananas. I am gonna get to the bottom of this. Time to get down to business. Indiana Jones style. Ha! Sheesh. Whoa! Ha! Whoa! 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 Silly banana, causing so much trouble. That's why I ate you.
Hey, watch it.
Oh, who's there?
It's just me.
Park Ranger Asher.
I was, just looking for my walkie.
Oh, I was trying to help him find it.
Whoa, wow, gee, you scared me. But you know what's funny? I can't find my walkie either. There's something very suspicious going on here at the ranch. That's why you gotta stay one step ahead of this game. And one step ahead of this dino mister. That's why I was chopping things. But it's funny, I haven't seen any sign of this dino mustard.
It's Dino Master.
Right.
Maybe the dinos are pranking us.
The dinos, they're not that smart. Have they evolved? What? Is that an egg? I better get to it before another dino does.
Gotta make sure it's safe. Check and see if there are any carnivores.
No carnivores.
Great, all clear. Next up, the final exam.
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
Hey!
obstacle course.
You have officially earned your park ranger badge.
What?
Pretty cool trick eggs, huh? That one's just the trophy.
Trophy? That's extraordinary. You mean you two were behind the pranks the whole time?
Yep, yoking aside, gotcha!
We had to welcome in our newbie park rangers in some special way.
Well, you could have made me a cake, but I do love a good prank. What about the mad dinos?
Oh yeah, those were just special noises I was making with my phone. Dinosaurs didn't really step on prank eggs.
Oh, I get it. Well, thank you for my badge.
You earned it.
Thanks.
Yeah, but sorry about the Dimetrodon thing. We didn't know she was hanging out there.
Oh, well, that's okay. I forgive you both, as long as you promise to never prank me again.
Never.
Well-
No way. Maybe on April Fool's.
Yeah, definitely.
All right, put her there, park ranger.
Ew! Yeah!
This is from your prank earlier. It got all gooey in my pocket.
Ew.
Come on. Maybe we can prank Park Rangers Aaron and LB.
Yeah!
Or maybe you first. Yoke's on you! That was totally worth it.